Do you want to know how you can deposit money on your OneXBet account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can deposit money on OneXBet. Go ahead and open any browser and open onexbet.com and make sure that you have logged into your account. The next step you want to do is click on deposit, which you can see on the right hand side. After you click on deposit, this page will open up. You can see that there are a lot of payment systems. Some of the recommended methods will come on the top. Some of the bank cards are here, the e-wallets are here, and there goes some of the cryptocurrencies. So you can use any of these. Let's suppose I want to use my Visa. I'll click on Visa, and the next thing I want to do is write down my amount, my email, and click on confirm. Then I will go ahead and load my money. So let me give you the example by clicking on Bitcoin. Go ahead and see that the currency is transferred over here. Go ahead and click confirm, and you can copy the post and you can scan this QR code after you pay it on your phone. So guys, this is how you load money or deposit money on your OneXBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.